Hey y'all, welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I Ain't Buying It. Y'all, I just came out of Walmart and I wanted to film in front of the Walmart shopping center, but I left my phone home. So now I am back at my house, still packing, but I had my hat looking a mess, but I had to run out to Walmart. And child, y'all, while y'all watching me right now, you need to be getting in your car and running to your Walmart, and I'm hoping that y'all can find these deals. So I just went to Walmart and I found this fabulous over the door triple towel rack, and it has the hooks for $5. Hopefully y'all can see that. Now, you ain't gonna be able to see the bigger things because, like I said, I'm in my vehicle right now, but just to give you a gist of what I was able to find. Next, I found this Better Homes and Garden tissue stand, and this was $5, and that's like that brushed nickel color. I thought this is gonna go fabulous in my new place, so I got that for $5. And then they had these nice shower rods. Trying to turn it for you, but this is how long, regular shower rod for $5. And I got 2 of these. Great deal. And I'm not into all those name brand sneakers. As long as the sneakers fit and they're comfortable for me, I put on anything. So I found me some work sneakers for around, the house. Just running out. They fresh and clean for $5. Got those. And then they had these washcloths. Y'all look at these pretty colors. You got the multicolor, the yellow, the white, and like that coral color. And these were 50 cents. And I got 1, 2, 3, 4, and I know there's another one around here, but I got 5 packs, which a total of 20 washcloths for $2.50. And I figure when the girls come down, I'll put a bundle out for them, and I'll use a bundle for in the kitchen, wiping down stuff, and then these will be on reserve. So that was to me, this was a really good deal. And I'm into my bling. I found these beautiful curtain for the shower curtain rod hooks. They had them in the glam, and these were $2. So I got 2 packs. And I'll put these less expensive ones when I move into one of the bathrooms, and then use the other real good ones that I gotten from Home Goods in my other bathroom. Next, this is the deal to me. This big, and this is heavy. It is the toilet brush cleaner, bowl brush. It's in the sandstone color, and then it has the nickel finishing at the top. I'm gonna open it and see. I think it's just heavy because of the bottom part. Yeah, and it's just a standard heavy duty brush. I'm not gonna pull it all the way out because I am on my way to storage to drop this new stuff off. But this would be great, with the toilet holder I just showed you. And this was $5 today. So I only had one of these, and this lady was behind me because she was trying to scoop up all the washcloths. And thank God I had went down that road before she came. But anyway, I found, look y'all, the Trolls. And these are the 2-piece towel sets. And I bought 3 of them. And they were all $2. Now you get a towel. It comes with the towel, and then this is the washcloth. And of course, these are for my fabulous little kids that are in my life. My niece Christina, Truly Bear, and Ariana. And you know, these are regularly $9.88 a piece. I know Trolls may be out of season, but for me, I don't care what the kids' characters they are in. When you come to my house, you know, you be grateful for what Aunt Callie and Nanny done bought you, okay? So they are cute if we go to the beach or, you know, just get in my little spa. And then, child, I seen these hanging up. And I actually was over, oh, here's that other washcloth I was telling you about. I was actually over, not in the clearance section. Before I got to the clearance section, they had the hooded towels, you know, with all the new fabulous characters from Disney that are coming out. And they were $9 and some change. I said, oh, I'm not paying no $10 or $11 for a hooded bathrobe for the kids, you know, when they get out the water and stuff. But bam, look what I found. They had the hooded towel, and that's what it looks like. Y'all seen these, and these are regularly $10.98, y'all, and I paid $2. Okay, now it says it's 24 inches by 50, so I'm hoping the bigger girls will be able to get wrapped around in these. So I found 2 in the Trolls, and these 2 would be Ariana and Christina. And then I got the looks like the Care Bear Build a Bear Workshop hooded towel for Truly, and these were all $2. Fabulous deal today. And I even got me something out the deal. So the total that I spent, which I was not supposed to be in the store, was $51.77. And here is the receipt. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it was $51.77. And I tell you, everything that I got, it was well worth it, especially these. These are going for $11 a piece. And to only pay $2, well worth it, along with the beach towels or the bath towels with the washcloths. So once again, I hope that y'all can get out and try to get some of these deals. You know, try not to pay full price, because I know I don't. And as I always say, if it ain't cheap, I ain't buying it. I'll see y'all in another Walmart clearance video. Y'all take care and be on the lookout for the month of May. If you're new to my channel, thank you. If you're just wondering what my channel is about, come on over, hit that subscribe button, give me that likes, and leave me a lovely comment, and welcome to the fabulous family. I'll talk to y'all later. Y'all stay blessed and be safe. Bye-bye.